Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. And today I just got out of shower and I noticed कि मुझे dry patches हो रहे हैं. And it's very strange क्योंकि I have a combination skin और मुझे हमेशा oily skin issues रहते हैं. But it's happening ulta. Of course, it's because of weather. It's continuously raining outside and I need to fix my skin. And I thought let's share this routine with you guys as well. So today I've brought you a winter skincare routine. In this routine, I have added a nourishing homemade face pack recipe followed by my skincare routine. So if you want to know how I transform my dry, patchy looking skin into a nourishing glass looking skin, then please keep on watching. And without any further ado, let's get started. Here is the mask and it's looking really good. It smells so nice, nutty and sweet. I feel like eating it. And you can also eat it, but let's just apply for now. So I'm going to dig in now on this beautiful looking homemade face mask. Yes, let's apply. And I've cleansed my face. I'm applying this on a cleansed, clean face. So before applying, you can keep this mask in refrigerator as well for 5 to 10 minutes because it feels very cool and relaxing. I'm going to apply it slightly under my eyes as well because since these are natural ingredients hai, and it also have cooling properties, you can apply it under your eyes as well. Zyada nahi, but just a little. And don't forget your neck. It is equally important as your face. So yeah, right there as well. And on your lips as well, it will act as a gentle exfoliator for your chapped lips. So and I am back and you can see that subtle glow on my face. I've used just water to cleanse my face and it's not chip though I used honey and it feels very soft. I hope the camera is doing justice, but yeah, there's a subtle glow. And also whenever you use some home remedies तो उसका result instant नहीं होता. Definitely I can feel the difference of before and after. मेरी skin अब बहुत soft लग रही है, dry patches बिल्कुल नहीं है and I feel the nourished स्किन. बट इसका नेक्स्ट डे इफेक्ट और बहुत अच्छा लगता है बिकॉज नेक्स्ट डे मेरी स्किन और हेल्दी दिखेगी. सो जितने भी होम रेमेडीज होती हैं उन्हें और अच्छे से निखर के दिखने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. बट या इट फील्स गुड. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू विथ माई स्किन केयर रूटीन. हाँ, मैंने फेस पैक लगाया है बट आई नीड टू सील द मॉइस्चर विथ सम स्किन केयर. बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज एनी एक्टिव्स बिकॉज आई वांट दिस टू वर्क ओवरनाइट. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू कीप द स्किन केयर वेरी सिंपल स्टार्टिंग विथ द rose water. This is my favorite from Wishcare. Next, I'm using this face wash of calendula emulsion, moisture emulsion. ये मैं थोड़ा सा लूंगी, not too much, just a pea-sized quantity. I have taken this much for my entire face. It has a little thick consistency, so it's ideal to apply during night time and I won't recommend applying this product during daytime. This is one of my favorite products, but मैं इसे throughout the year use नहीं कर पाती. It's my winter favorite product because इसका texture थोड़ा thick है तो I like to apply this during winters only, वरना मेरी skin थोड़ा oily हो जाती है. But during winters, my skin love this product and I recommend you, अगर आपकी dry skin है then you can use this throughout the year. But अगर आपकी combination skin है, oily skin है, then I recommend you using this product during winter season. And I have finished half bottle of this one already. as you can see, and I love this product. और एक टिप, हर प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई करने से पहले हर एक प्रोडक्ट के बीच में थोड़ा सा गैप देना, क्योंकि द प्रोडक्ट नीड टू गेट एब्जॉर्ब्ड इनटू योर स्किन, तो उसे थोड़ा टाइम देना चाहिए. जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स आप अप्लाई करो बीच में एटलीस्ट आधे मिनट का गैप देते रहना, so the product nicely settles down into your skin, and then you can apply the another layer of skincare. Now that's it. I'm going with a light moisturizer. Today I'm using Dot & Key 72-hour hydrating moisture plus probiotics. One of my favorites again. So light moisturizer hai, it's really good. ये हमारे मॉइस्चर को सील कर देगा. जो भी हमने फेस पैक लगाया है, emulsion लगाया है, उस सबको इंटैक्ट रखेगा. And finishing off with a lip balm. This is my most favorite Laneige glowy lip balm. And the remaining lip balm आप अपने eyes के corner पे लगा सकते हैं, because this is a very delicate area and it needs moisture. Extra नहीं, just the leftover, हल्के से dab dab motion में. And during night time, daytime में नहीं, because you don't want the glowy chum chum eyes which will attract dust as well. So during night time, the leftover हल्के से अपने eye के corners पे dab कर देना. And that's it, we are done. Please comment down below अगर आपने ये face pack try किया, how was your results, how you felt about it, and I always love interacting with you guys. So please don't forget to comment down below. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हो, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and families, and thank you so much for watching.